Hello, madam. Please come this way.
Thank you. I need a table, please.
Are you alone or with someone else?
No, I'm alone.
Would you like AC or non-AC seating?
It's already cool outside, so non-AC, please.
Sure, ma'am. Please come with me.
Okay.
Here's your table.
Oh, it looks very nice and clean.
Thank you, ma'am. Please sit down. I will bring water for you.
Sure. Where's the menu?
It's on the table, over there.
Oh, I found it. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
This place looks very peaceful.
Yes, ma'am. Many travelers stop here for lunch.
Really?
Yes, especially people going to the next city.
That's exactly where I'm going.
Oh, that's nice. It's still a long drive from here.
Yes, I know. I was feeling very hungry and tired.
Then you came to the right place, ma'am.
I hope so. I need some good food and a little rest.
Don't worry, ma'am. Our lunch is fresh and tasty.
That sounds good.
Here's your water.
Thank you so much.
Would you like a few more minutes to check the menu?
Yes, please. I'm still looking.
Of course. Take your time.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please help me?
Sure, ma'am. What would you like to know?
What is your most popular lunch item?
Our veg thali and paneer butter masala are very popular.
Okay. What comes in the veg thali?
It comes with rice, chapati, dal, mixed vegetables, curd, salad, and a sweet.
Oh, wow. That sounds like a full meal.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
And what about the paneer butter masala?
That comes with gravy, and you can order naan or roti with it.
I see. Is the food too spicy?
Not too spicy, but we can make it mild for you.
That would be better.
Sure, ma'am.
Do you have anything light? I still have to drive.
Yes, ma'am. You can try jita rice with dal fry or plain roti with paneer curry.
That sounds better for me.
Would you like something cold to drink too?
Maybe later. First, I want to decide the food.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay, I think I'm ready to order.
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
I would like one veg thali.
Sure, ma'am. One veg thali.
And please make it less spicy.
Certainly. Anything else?
Yes, one sweet lime soda, but not too cold.
Okay, ma'am. Anything more?
No, that's all for now.
All right, ma'am. Your order will be ready in 10 to 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please relax till then.
I will. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your veg thali.
Oh, wow, it looks so delicious.
Thank you, ma'am. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much.
Do you need anything else right now?
No, this is perfect for now.
All right, I will check on you in a few minutes.
Sure.
How is the food, ma'am?
It's really tasty. I love it.
I'm glad you liked it.
The dal is very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Our chef prepares it fresh every day.
I can taste that. It feels homemade.
That's wonderful to hear.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get one more roti, please?
Of course, ma'am. I will bring it right away.
Thank you.
Here's your roti, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, can I get some cold water?
Sure, ma'am.
Not too cold, please.
Okay, I will bring normal chilled water. Here's your water.
Thank you.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Did you enjoy your lunch, ma'am?
Yes, it was really good. I feel relaxed now.
That's great to hear.
I was very tired before coming here.
Long drive?
Yes, I have been driving for hours.
Then you needed this break.
Yes, absolutely.
Would you like something sweet?
What do you have?
We have gulab jamun, ice cream, and kheer.
I think I'll skip dessert today.
No problem, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am?
can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, ma'am. I will bring it right away. Here's your bill, ma'am.
Thank you. Do you accept card?
Yes, ma'am. We accept both card and cash.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please insert your card here.
Okay,
Please enter your PIN.
done.
Payment successful.
Thank you.
Thank you for visiting us, ma'am.
Thank you for the great service. I will definitely come again.
We will be happy to see you again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am.
can you help me for a minute?
Of course, ma'am. What happened?
I am going to the next city, but I am a little confused.
Oh, I see. Are you having trouble with the route?
Yes, exactly.
No problem, ma'am. I will try to help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I checked the map on my phone, but I still don't understand it.
Let me see.
Here, this is the map.
Okay, Yes, I know this road.
Really?
Yes, ma'am. Many travelers ask about this route.
That's a relief.
Don't worry, I will explain it simply.
Please do.
First, go straight on this road for about 10 kilometers.
Go straight for 10 kilometers. Okay.
Then you will see a big petrol pump on your left side.
A petrol pump on the left side.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I got it.
After that, don't take the small village road.
Don't take the village road.
Yes, because many people make that mistake.
Oh, I think the map is showing that way.
Yes, but that road is shorter on the map, not faster in real life.
Really?
Yes, ma'am, that road is broken and very slow.
Oh no, then I should not go that way.
Exactly.
So, what should I do after the petrol pump?
After the petrol pump, take the highway flyover.
The flyover.
Yes, go up the flyover and stay on the main highway.
Stay on the highway. Okay.
Then keep driving straight for around 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yes, if the traffic is normal.
All right.
Then you will see a green signboard for the next city.
A green signboard.
Yes, it will clearly show the city name.
Okay, then.
Then take the right exit from the highway.
Right exit, not left.
Yes, right exit, not left.
Good thing I asked you.
Yes, ma'am, because the left side goes toward another town.
Oh, wow, I could have gone the wrong way.
Yes, that happens often here.
Thank you so much. You explained it very clearly.
I'm happy to help.
Can you tell me one more thing?
Sure, ma'am.
Which route is the fastest? This one or this one?
The highway route is the fastest and safest.
Even if it looks a little longer?
Yes, because the road is smooth and traffic moves better.
That makes sense.
Also, you will find petrol pumps and food stops on the way.
That's good. I may need another tea break later.
Then the highway is definitely better for you.
Thank you. You really saved me.
You are most welcome, ma'am.
I was honestly feeling nervous.
It's okay. Traveling alone can be confusing sometimes.
Yes, especially in a new place.
True, but now you know the route.
Yes, now I feel much better.
Good. Please drive safely.
I will. Thank you again for your kindness.
It was my pleasure, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am. Have a safe journey.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
sorry, can I ask you something?
Yes, what happened?
I think I am in a big problem.
What do you mean?
I was traveling by bus and the bus left me here.
What? The bus left without you?
Yes,
Oh no, how did that happen?
I came to the restaurant to eat something quickly.
Okay.
But when I came outside, the bus was already gone.
That's really bad.
Yes, I feel so stupid right now.
Did you try calling the driver or bus company?
No, I don't even know the bus number properly.
Oh, that makes it harder.
Yes, I am really nervous.
Where were you going?
I'm going to the next city.
Really? I am also going there.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's lucky.
Maybe.
Actually, can I ask you something?
What is it?
Can you please give me a lift to the next city?
I'm sorry, but I usually don't take strangers in my car.
Yes, I understand.
I hope you don't mind.
No, it's okay. I understand your concern.
I'm sorry.
It's just that I really don't know what to do now.
Is there no other bus?
The next bus is after 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yes, and I still have to reach the city before evening.
Why? Do you have something important there?
Yes, actually, I have a job interview tomorrow morning.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I booked a cheap room there for tonight. If I get late, I may lose my room too.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, and I don't know anyone here.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, completely alone.
Hmm.
I know this sounds strange, but I'm really stuck.
You do look worried.
I am.
Did you at least eat properly?
Not really. I was eating in a hurry.
Oh no.
Today is going very badly for me.
That happens sometimes while traveling.
Yes, but I didn't expect this. I promise I'm not a bad person.
I know, but you understand. I have to be careful.
Yes, of course. Safety first.
Thank you for understanding.
Even if you can't help, thank you for listening.
Wait,
Hmm?
you said you're going to the next city, right?
Yes.
And you have an interview tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I can help you.
Really?
Yes, I can give you a lift.
Seriously?
Yes, but only to the main city side.
That is more than enough.
All right then.
Thank you so much. You are saving my day.
Don't thank me yet. Just be respectful and sit properly.
Of course, I will.
And please don't make me regret this decision.
Never, I promise.
Okay, then come.
Thank you. Really, thank you.
All right, let's go before it gets late.
Yes, let's go.
Put your bag in the back seat.
Sure.
And wear your seatbelt after sitting.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I still can't believe this.
Life becomes easier when people help each other.
That's true.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Thank you again.